morning, dear students. Welcome to our channel Infinity Simplify Your Problems. In this video we are going to learn the introduction and history of computer, that is part 1 for your competitive examination, banking, HSTR and KVS exam preparations, and most important for the what, for any competitive examination. Yes, let us try to learn today introduction and history of computer in detail. Yes, in detail we are going to learn. Let us try to learn this one first. Yes, so let us try to understand the introduction of computer first. Here, the introduction to computer. The word computer is derived from the Latin word. Is derived from the what? Latin word. Remember this one. The word computer has derived from the what? Latin word. Latin word computera. The word compute in the computera means to calculate or to count or to manipulate. The word computer has been derived from the Latin word computera. In that, the word computer is there, compute is there. The meaning of compute is nothing but to calculate or to manipulate or to count. A computer is an electronic machine or device that automatically accepts. A computer is an electronic machine or device that automatically accept the data and process it and gives the output result under the instruction. It means a computer is an electronic machine or a device. Why it is called as an electronic machine or device means what? It works with the what? Direct current. A device which works with the direct current is known as electronic device or machine that automatically accept the data. It accepts the what? Data from the user after giving the instruction and process that data to give a desired result, that is output, we can say, under the instruction provided by the what? User. So let us try to understand the what are the fundamental things of the computer here. First of all, we come to know that the computer means what? That is the fundamental things or fundamental parts, we can say here. Computer means what? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker, CPU, printer. These all the things comes under the what? Fundamentals. So these are the what? Parts. So definition of computer: a computer is an electronic device. A computer is an electronic device. See here, electronic device. Why we call the computer is an electronic device? Because it works with the what? Direct current. A device which works with the direct current is known as what? Electronic device. Which accepts the data. Which accepts the data or information. It accepts the data or information as an input. It accepts the data or information as an input from the user. How it accepts the data? With the help of the what? User. From the user we are saying, and process the data. After accepting the data, it processes that data inside the CPU, that data or information in the CPU, and gives a desired result as an output, and stores the data into the computer memory. So this is the what? Definition of computer. So computer is an electronic device because it is works with the what? Direct current. So it is called as what? Electronic device, which accepts the data or information as an input from the user with the help of what? Input devices, that is keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. With the help of these devices we are entering the data into the computer system. After entering the data, it will be processed inside the CPU and gives the what? It gives the what? Desired result as an output, and further it stores the data into the computer memory so that you can retrieve at any time. So this is the what? Definition of computers. Now come to the what? The functions of computer are nothing but the functions of computers are: first, input. It takes the input through the help of what? Input devices from the user. And second function is what? It process The processing is the what second function. It processes the input or data or information whatever we are giving to the computer. After processing, it gives the what output, that is called the result. After getting the result, we have to store the result or information whatever, that will be stored into the what computer memory. So these are the what basic functions of the computer. Based on these functions, the MCQ type question will be appear, and based on the what meaning of compute, how the computer words it derived, and what is the meaning of that, on the basis of these, the question will be asked for you people. So next, history of computer. Come to the what history of computer. As we know that abacus is the an abacus is a mechanical device. See here, abacus is what mechanical device. Remember this one, abacus is what, it is a mechanical device. Abacus is a mechanical device used to aid an individual performing mathematical calculation. It is used to perform the mathematical calculation. Individual can use to perform the what mathematical calculation purpose we are using. The abacus was invented in Babylonia in 2400 BC. The abacus in the form we are most familiar with, the what was first used in China. It was first used in the what China in around 500 BC. It was invented in the Babylonia in the 2400 BC, and it was used by the what Chinese first, China first in around 5000 BC. अबैकस को जो इन्वेंट किया है बेबोलिनिया में किया है इन द ईयर 2400 BC, एंड इसको ज्यादातर इस्तेमाल फर्स्ट टाइम इस्तेमाल करने वाले चीना पीपल्स अराउंड 500 BC. इट इज यूज टू परफॉर्म द बेसिक अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस. इसे किस वास्ते इस्तेमाल करते थे? बेसिक अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस. अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन मींस क्या है यहाँ पर? अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन मींस here arithmetic operation. अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन, ये अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन का मतलब क्या है? अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन मीन्स एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन. ये काम की वस्तु से इस्तेमाल करता है. एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. नेक्स्ट, सी द हियर how it is abacus. It is the earlier abacus. Now it is the modern abacus. So as we know that today we are getting the what abacus mathematics, modern abacus, with the help of these modern abacus. Yes, this is the earlier abacus machine, and this is the what modern abacus machine. This is what earlier abacus and modern abacus. So next, moving to the what next one, Napier bones model. This Napier bones invented by John Napier in the year 1614. Remember this one, it is very important. Invented by what? John Napier in the year 1614. Allowed to the operator, this Napier bone allowed to the operator, the person who is operating this Napier bone model, it allows the operator to multiply, divide and calculate the square and cube roots of the number by moving the rods. Here we are moving the rods. With the help of moving the rods and placing them in specially constructed boards, we have to place these bones, Napier bones, specifically constructed in the what? Placing them in the specifically constructed boards, so that we can get the what multiplication problems we will solve, divide, and we can calculate the what square numbers and square and cube roots of the numbers. So it is only used to multiply and divide and calculate the square and cube roots of the number. Next one, slide rule. The slide rule was invented by William Outward in the year 1622. It is based on the what Napier's idea. This slide rule is totally based on the what Napier's idea about the about logarithms. It is used primarily for multiplication purpose, division purpose, finding the roots and finding the logarithms, and for calculating the trigonometric values. Not normally used for addition or subtraction. Remember this one, slide rule is used for multiplication purpose. ज़रब करने के लिए और डिवीजन मीन्स तकसीम करने के लिए. रूट्स मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट मालूम करना, क्यूब रूट मालूम करना, लॉगरिथम्स मालूम करना, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए स्लाइड रूल का इस्तेमाल किया जाता था। नेक्स्ट पास्कलिन। पास्कलिन is invented by Blaise Pascal in the year 1642। पास्कलिन को ब्लेस पास्कल ने 1642 में इन्वेंट किया। इट वाज इट्स लिमिटेशन टू एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन। इट मींस इट इज ओनली यूज्ड फॉर एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन, यानी जमा और नफी के हिसाब करने के लिए ब्लेस पास्कल को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इट इज टू एक्सपेंसिव, इट इज टू एक्सपेंसिव, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये बहुत कॉस्टली है, इट इज टू एक्सपेंसिव। नेक्स्ट कम टू दी व्हाट, स्टेप्ड रेकॉनर। स्टेप्ड रेकॉनर, it was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. He was the mathematician. It was invented by stepped reckoner was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in the year 1672. The machine that can add, subtract, multiply and divide automatically. This machine will add, subtract, multiply and divide automatically. It means it is only used for what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division purpose. Next, Jacquard loom. The Jacquard loom is a mechanical loom. Jacquard loom is what? Mechanical loom invented by Joseph Mary Jacquard. Joseph Mary Jacquard in the year 1881. जैकवर्ड लूम एक क्या है? मैकेनिकल लूम है। इसे इन्वेंट किसने किया है? जोसेफ मैरी जैकवर्ड ने। कौन सी ईयर में? 1881 में। इट एन ऑटोमेटिक लूम कंट्रोल्ड बाय पंच कार्ड। इट इज एन ऑटोमेटिकल लूम, इट वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय व्हाट? पंच कार्ड्स के जरिए से इसको हम क्या करते थे? कंट्रोल करते थे। नेक्स्ट, एरिथोमीटर। एरिथोमीटर a mechanical calculator invented by, arithmeter, it is what? A mechanical calculator invented by what? Thomas D. Colmer in the year 1822. Remember this one. Arithmeter is invented by what? Thomas D. Colmer in the year 1822. The first reliable, reliable means what? Guaranteed, accurate, useful and useful and commercially successful. It is very useful and commercially successful calculating machine. The machine could perform the four basic mathematical function. The four basic mathematical function means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The first mass produced calculating machine is what? The arithmeter. Next, differential engine. Differential engine or analytical engine. See here, it an automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate the polynomial function. One of the great mathematician, that is, his name was, this difference engine or analytical engine or differential engine was invented by Charles Babbage in the year 1822 and 1834. So remember, dear students, 1820, if the option is given in the year 1822, you have to take this one. If it is given 1834, you have to mark it 1834. So invented in the year 1822 and 1834. So most probably we are getting the MCQs on what? 1834 on 1834. Yes. It was invented in the year 1834 by Charles Babbage. It is the first mechanical computer. It is the first mechanical, which is the first mechanical computer means what? Differential engine or analytical engine, we can say. So Charles Babbage is the what? Father of computer. And one more thing related to the Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage has designed the what? Differential engine and analytical engine. That engine is treated as the what? Base of modern computer. चार्ल्स बेबेज ने जो इंजन बनाया था उसको कैसा ट्रीट करते हैं? बेस ऑफ मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर कर बोल के ट्रीट करके तो आगे कंप्यूटर इन्वेंट होता है। इसीलिए चार्ल्स बेबेज ने जो ये इंजन बनाया है, इसलिए चार्ल्स बेबेज को क्या बोलते हैं? फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर बोलते हैं। सी द हियर, डिफरेंस इंजन एंड एनालिटिकल इंजन। यस। नेक्स्ट, Shetujian calculation engine. Calculation engine. It was invented by Per George Chetuj in the year 1834. It is based on the what? Charles Babbage differentiation. It is engine is based on the what? Charles Babbage engine. The first printing calculator. It is what? Which is the first printing calculator means what? Shetujian calculation engine is the what? First printing calculator. It was invented by Per George Chetuj in the year 1843. Next, tabulating machine. tabulating machine. This was invented by Herman. This was invented by Herman Hollerith. Tabulating machine was invented by Herman Hollerith in the year 1890. Remember this one. Who invented the tabulating machine will be asked for MCQs type. Herman Hollerith in the year 1819 to assist in summarizing the information and accounting. Why it was designed invented means to assist means to give the instruction in summarizing and information and accounting purpose. It will give the assistant to the what calculator, the person who is doing the work of what calculation and information collecting. Next, Howard Mark 1 is also known as IBM automatic sequence control calculator. Here Howard Mark 1 is also known as IBM automatic sequence control calculator, ASCC. Yes, automatic sequence controlled calculator. It was invented by Howard H. Aiken. It was invented by Howard H. Aiken in the year 1943. In the year 1943, the first electromechanical computer. Which is the first electromechanical computer means what? First electromechanical computer is nothing but Howard Mark 1. Remember this one. Howard Mark 1. It was invented by Howard H. Aiken in the year 1943. Next, Z1. The first programmable computer. The first programmable computer is nothing but Z1. Remember this one. Which is the first programmable computer means Z1. It was invented by Konrad Zuse in Germany from 1936 to what? 1938. Remember this one. 1936 to what? 1938. Next, to program the Z1, required that the user insert the punch tape. That is what? Punch tape. The user has to insert the what? Punch tape, that is input device, punch tape reader, and all output was also generated through the what? Punch tape only. Remember this one, it is very important in the Z1 computer, programmable computer. It is the first programmable computer invented by Konrad Zuse in the year in Germany from 1936 to what? 1938. The to program the Z1 required that the user must insert the watch punch tape into the punch tape reader. Here we have a punch tape reader. In that we have to insert the what? Punch tape. इसके अंदर क्या रहता है? पंच टेप रीडर रहता है, उसके अंदर पंच टेप को इंसर्ट करना है. एंड ऑल आउटपुट वाज आल्सो जनरेटेड थ्रू द व्हाट? पंच टेप. पंच टेप के जरिए से ही क्या है? आउटपुट जनरेट होता है यहाँ पर. नेक्स्ट, atoms of Berry computer, ABC. Short form. Abbreviation. Remember this one. ABC means what? Atoms of Berry computer. Atoms of Berry computer. It was the first electro-digital computer. It was the first electro-digital computer. It was the first electro-digital computing device. Which is the first electronic digital computing device means what? Atoms of Berry computer. It was invented by Professor John Atansoff. It was invented by Professor John Atansoff and graduate student. He was the graduate student Clifford Berry at Iowa State. Clifford Berry at Iowa State University between the year 1939 to 1942. Remember this one. Atansoff Berry Berry computer was the first electronic digital computing device. Which is the first electronic digital computing device means Atansoff Berry computer, that is ABC. Abbreviation also very important. First digital computing device is also important. Who invented this one? Professor John Atansoff and graduate student Clifford Berry at Iowa State University between 1939 and 1942. Next, ENIAC. Remember this one. ENIAC stand for electronic numerical integrator and computer or calculator. or it may also called as what, calculator. It was the first electronic it was the first electronic general purpose computer. Which is the first electronic general purpose computer? Means ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. It was completed in the year 1946. It comes under the what, first generation of computer, 1946. It was developed by John Presper. It was developed by what? John Presper Eckart and John W. Mauchly. John W. Mauchly or Mauchly we can say. Next, UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer 1. UNIVAC 1, that is Universal Automatic Computer 1, was the first commercial computer. Which is the first commercial computer? UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer 1. It was designed by J. Presper Eckart and John Mauchly. J. Presper Eckart and John Mauchly. Mauchly or Mauchly we can say. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. EDVAC. Remember the abbreviation of this one. Many times these abbreviations are asking. EDVAC stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. The first stored program computer. So this was based on the what? The stored concept of the computer. This is the first computer based on the what? Stored program concept. It was designed by John von Neumann. Remember this one, John von Neumann. Here it is only von Neumann, it is there, John von Neumann. It was designed by what? John von Neumann. It was designed by John von Neumann in the year 1952. In the year 1952. It has a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data. In this, what is the specialty of this computer? Means what? It has a memory. It has a memory to hold the both stored program as well as what? Data. Yes. The first portable computer. The first portable computer is nothing but Osborne 1. Osborne 1. The first portable computer. Which is the first portable computer? Osborne 1, released in the year 1981 by Osborne Computer Corporation. It was released by the what? Osborne Computer Corporation. Next, the first computer company. The first computer company was the Electronic Controls Company. Electronic Controls Company, founded in the year 1949. It was founded in the year 1949 by J. Presper Eckart and John Mauchly. It was founded by what? J. Presper Eckart and John Mauchly. So this is all about the what? Computer and its history. If you have any doubts, please give me the comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for your competitive learning examination computer. Yes, so I am here, Farooq sir. I will clear your all doubts. If you have any comments, so please give me the comments. If you have any doubts, please give the comments, or else you can contact, my number is there here. Yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video we are going to learn the what? Generations of computers. Thank you so much for watching my channel.